This video was created to help you install your Air Louver Slimline VSLH Vision Light. It is designed to fit standard 1 3/4 doors and accommodate standard glazing thicknesses of 3/16 to 5/16. Please note that it is important to read the installation instructions carefully to assist with proper installation and maintenance. For best results, we recommend using a power drill with a Phillips driver bit to tighten the sheet metal screws provided. The Slimline Vision Light pack comes with a vision light that includes both a corridor and room side, glazing with the tape that is already applied, and screws. Every piece of fire and/or safety rated glazing in vision lights will already come with markings. Also, the door cutout corresponds to the order size of the vision light, so prepare the cutout in the door so it's plumb and square. Remove the backing tape from the glazing that will be installed on the vision frame corridor side. The glazing bug must be visible and located in the bottom left corner when viewed from the room side. Press firmly so that the glazing tape adheres to the frame. Now, place this assembly under the door into the cutout and remove the backing tape on the room side. Install the room side of the vision light, carefully aligning the room side holes of the frame to the holes in the corridor side of the frame. Manually insert 2 of the screws provided in the countersunk holes to hold the frame in place for alignment. Then, insert all the other screws lightly to get them started. There will be a visible gap between the frame and the glazing since the Slimline is uniquely designed to flex to accommodate up to 5/16 glazing. Using a power drill, tighten the screws to a minimum of 15 inch-pounds alternately in a crisscross pattern to avoid putting more pressure on one side than the other. You may hear a popping sound due to the flexing metal of the Slimline design. This is normal and expected, especially for larger sized vision lights. Continue tightening the screws up to a maximum torque of 25 inch-pounds until there is no gap and the glazing is fully secured between the vision light frames. Finally, verify that the glazing does not move.